Hey friends, if you encounter the aksdf.sys blue screen error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update all drivers on the system. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows update tab on the list on the left hand side, click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is to run an SFC scan. So to run an SFC scan, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And the last solution is obviously cloud reset. I'll tell you why, because there's no natural solution to this problem. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down and click on recovery, select reset PC, remove everything and finally select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.